Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope so all are you fine and good. Welcome in my YouTube channel Wild Interesting Facts. In this channel we will discuss about the facts of world. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and videos. तो बगैर टाइम को वेस्ट किए चलते हैं अपने कंटेंट की तरफ. So let's start. We will start about people once at arsenic to improve their skin. You have probably heard about how a lot of the Victorians' favorite cosmetics were riddled with arsenic, but it gets worse. There were also products on the market in the late 19th century like Dr. James P. Campbell's safe arsenic complexions wafers that were meant to be eaten. They claimed to get rid of freckles, blackheads, and other facial. And the next one, Japan vending machine. Japan is thought to have one of the highest densities of vending machines in the world, with one for every 40 people in the country, while most sell various types of beverages, other features, ice cream, noodles, and disposable cameras. Lemon float but lime skin. Because limes are denser than lemons, they drop to the bottom of a glass, while lemon float at the top. Out of all these random fun facts, this one been in front of our faces, or rather in our glasses, this whole time. First time world period was used. First time world period was used on TV in reference to menstruation was 1985. It came via a line in a Tampax comerical feelings cleaner is more comfortable. It can actually change the way you feel about your period. And the actor who made pop culture history was Courtney Cox of Friends fame. Next, we will discuss about McDonald's. You know about McDonald's. McDonald's one made bubblegum flavored broccoli. This crazy McDonald's fact will give your taste buds craving. Unsurprisingly, the attempts to get kids to eat healthier didn't go over well with the child testers who were confused by the taste. Now, calm fungi create zombie then control their minds. Tropical fungi infects on central nervous systems. Once it has been in an insect body for 9 days, it has complete control over the host's movements. According to National Geographic, it forced the ant to climb trees, then convulse and fall into the cool, moist soil below where fungi thrive. Once there, the fungus waits until exactly solar noon to force the ant to bite a leaf and wait for death. So now we will discuss about orange. The first orange were not orange. The original orange from Southeast Asia were a 10 grain Pomelo hybrid. and they were actually green. In fact, orange in warmer regions such as Vietnam and Thailand still stay green through maturity. Hope so you will enjoying this video. See you in next video. Inshallah. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.